Tired of missing out on crucial football moments? Let's dive into how you can catch all the live action on Peacock. First things first, you'll need a Peacock subscription. They offer a few different plans, so head over to Peacock.com and choose the one that best suits your needs. Premium is usually what you want for live sports. Briefly, Peacock Premium gives you access to a wide range of content including live sports, while Premium Plus removes ads and allows for offline viewing. Check the fine print to be sure your desired games are available in your selected plan. Once you're subscribed, download the Peacock app on your favorite device, whether it's your smart TV, phone, tablet, or computer. Log in with your account credentials, then navigate to the sports section. Here, you'll find a schedule of upcoming live events. Keep an eye out for the specific football games you want to watch. Peacock often features exclusive games, particularly from the NFL and Premier League. The schedule is updated regularly, so be sure to check back often to not miss any crucial matchups. And that's it. You are now all set to enjoy live football action on Peacock. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful streaming tips and tricks.